Hey, Paul, it's so great to finally meet you, and I'm excited to see you at the APSS Convention 2026. You'll be joining us on day one for the breakout session, and your speech title is The Relevance Advantage: How Great Speakers Make Every Audience Feel Seen. I'm just wondering, in your experience, why is stories so important in speaking?
Oh, great. No, thank you so much for that question. And I'm so looking forward to being in Singapore on May 1st and May 2nd. Life is storytelling, leadership is storytelling.
Mm.
So when we are honored to be on stage, when we are honored to be able to tell a story, it makes everything come alive. It makes everything feel engaged. It makes everything feel vibrant and that colorfulness. Like what's me here? We don't want to get on stage as we're so honored to do and just tell something that is going to be just so dull and so boring that somebody could get it through AI or a PowerPoint slide. No, as speakers, stories are so important because it makes content come alive. But more importantly, it makes the audience feel motivated and inspired.
Wow, that's great. And I'm looking forward to learning more from you. If you would like to join Paul and me at the convention, click on the link somewhere around this screen, and we'll see you there May 1st and 2nd.